Here's my final project for my Web Front-End Development 2 course at Brigham Young University, Idaho. And the main idea behind, or concept behind this project was to have a web app that could um, get recipes from an API, display those recipes, and also meal plan and make grocery shopping lists based on the plans that you made that are based on the recipes. So let me show you some of the functionality of the site. You can filter based on diet. So you can see these are all vegetarian meals. You can filter based on what time of day you have the meal. These are all breakfasts. You can adjust how long you want to be cooking or making the recipe. And the longer it takes, the more recipes show up. You could also change the cuisine, so it could be any of these categories here. I like Mexican food, so this will be helpful for me. You can also favorite different recipes. So let's say we really want to make guacamole, we can favorite this. Let's add it to favorites, and we can check our favorites, and now we have homemade guacamole on our favorite recipes list. And now we can also see the full recipe. We don't have to just look at a picture. You can see actually how to make the recipe and have the ingredients here. For this particular recipe, there are no instructions, but you can check off ingredients or add them to the shopping list. Let's test out a different recipe and see if we can't find some instructions for it. Let's look at taco soup, and let's get a full recipe. And here's some instructions here. You can add this to the shopping list too. Let's look at some stuffed bell peppers. And here's some actually good instructions here that come from the API. So now if we want, we can add some of these to our meal plan. Like homemade guacamole, we can add to our meal plan. Let's say we want to make it on Tuesday for dinner. Just gonna have guacamole for dinner, maybe with some chips. Now if we check our meal plan, we have homemade guacamole on Tuesdays. Now we can make a shopping list based on the guacamole. And these are the ingredients that come with it. We can mark them as complete once we buy them, and then clear the list. So yeah, that's my my recipe and meal planner web app using this vernacular API. That's about it. Thanks for watching.